Good afternoon, guys. Today we're going to report about zirconia crowns and its strength, aesthetics, and innovation in dentistry. For the introduction, the zirconia crown is a metal oxide derived from zirconium, known as zirconium dioxide. It has gained widespread popularity in restorative dentistry due to its exceptional strength, durability, and biocompatibility. Now we're going to talk about the history of zirconia. Early discoveries from 18th to 19th century. In 1789, it was discovered by Martin Heinrich Laplace in zirconia mineral, and in 19th century studied for its chemical properties but had limited applications. Now it's introduction to dentistry. And sa makikita nating timeline dito, in 1986, the first 3D printer was patented by Charles W. Hall. And in 2000, ceramic was first made by stereolithography. And in 2009, zirconia dental prosthesis was first made by direct inkjet printing. And in 2011, first 3D printing metal mandible was performed. Then in 2012, the first 3D printing immediate implants was performed. And finally, in 2020, dental ceramic 3D printing system was applied to fabricate zirconia mandibular molar crowns. Now we're going to talk about the two types of zirconia, the monolithic, solid, or full contour zirconia. It is made from a single unbroken block of zirconia, while the layered zirconia, or layered, multi-layered, or porcelain layered zirconia, is a zirconia core layered with different ceramic powders that mimic translucency of natural dentitions. Now we're going to show you guys the difference between the monolithic and the layered zirconia. The monolithic zirconia, again, is a single block that makes it impossible to crack or to chip, while the layered zirconia is a bit prone to fracture or cracking kasi it is fabricated while applying ceramic powders to it. So, yung porcelain veneers is a bit prone to chipping and fracture. Next is the monolithic zirconia offers more strength, about 1,000 to 1,200 megapascals, while the strength of the layered zirconia is around 800 to 1,000 megapascals. The monolithic zirconia least wear on opposing teeth, while the layered zirconia is relatively more wear of opposing teeth. Next is used in posterior teeth, patients with extreme bruxism, and in patients with low occlusal clearance, while the layered zirconia is used in anterior teeth. Kasi the layered zirconia, since it is fabricated with ceramic powder, so it is more aesthetically pleasing, while the monolithic zirconia is more durable. Next subject.
And yung ano naman, advantages of zirconia crowns in modern dentistry. Exceptional strength and durability. High fracture resistance zirconia is stronger than porcelain and metal alloys, making it highly resistant to fractures and chipping. Ideal for bruxism patients due to its superior Wear resistance. Zirconia crowns are excellent for patients who grind their teeth. Long lifespan. With proper care, zirconia crowns can last 10 to 15 years on, outperforming traditional ceramic crowns. And sa aesthetic naman, aesthetic superiority. Tooth-like appearance, high translucent, translucency zirconia closely mimics natural enamel, providing excellent aesthetics. And no metal base. Unlike porcelain fused metal, PFM crowns, zirconia crowns do not show a dark metal margin along the outline. Mm. And sa customizable shades can be color matched to blend seamlessly with adjacent teeth. And yung biocompatibility and safety. Uh, yung ba, ano, hypoallergenic and unlike metal crowns, zirconia does not trigger allergic reactions. Soft tissue friendly. It is gentle on gums, reducing the risk of irritation or inflammation. And non-corrosive, unlike metal alloys, zirconia does not corrode over time. The precision and fit, CAD-CAM fabrication, digital milling technology ensures perfectly fitting crowns with minimal chairside adjustments. Less tooth reduction requires less tooth preparation than traditional crowns, preserving more natural tooth structure. Resistance and staining and wear, non-porous surface. Unlike composite crowns, zirconia is highly resistant to stains from coffee, tea, and wine. Minimizes opposing tooth wear. With proper polishing, zirconia is gentle on opposing teeth.
The disadvantage of zirconia crowns, we have highly hardness can cause opposing tooth wear. Is extremely hard, which can lead to excessive wear on opposing natural teeth, especially if the crown is not properly polished. The solution: proper glazing and polishing reduce this risk, making it more compatible with opposing teeth. Number two is difficult to adjust and modify. Zirconia is highly dense and strong, making chairside adjustments challenging, and requires special burst and proper cooling technique to avoid heat generation during grinding. And number three, limited translucency in some types. Traditional monolithic zirconia is opaque, making it less suitable for anterior restoration compared to lithium disilicate. The solution is high translucency. Zirconia is now available for improved aesthetic in front teeth. And cost factor, more expensive than PFM and metal crowns, making it less cost effective in some cases. Requirements, specialized CAD/CAM technology adding to fabrication costs. And number five, um, bonding challenges. Zirconia does not bond well with conventional dental cements like glass ionomer. The solution is requires specialized zirconia primes or resin-based cements for optimal retention. And the number six is risk of bulk fracture in thin layers. While zirconia is strong, thin zirconia restoration can still fracture under extreme forces. The solution is adequate thickness, at least zero point 0.5 to 1 mm, is recommended for durability. And ano na to? This is the zirconia crown fabrication process. One, first is pre-scanning and tooth preparation, then intraoral scanning, digital designing, myelin interim crown, then interim crown to clinical evaluation of the interim crown, then re-scanning, modifying digital design, then definitive crown made by 3D gel deposition, then clinical evaluation of the definitive crown. Zirconia crown glasses. First preparation. Um, Preparation is the dentist evaluates the tooth and prepares it by reducing the structure to create space for the zirconia crown. Kailangan yung dentist i-shape muna yung tooth and take impression yung pasyente. Yan, no? An impression or digital or conventional is taken to capture the details of the prepared tooth. Then second is digital scanning and CAD design. If a digital impression is used, an intraoral scanner captures a 3D image of the tooth. Using CAD, computer-aided design software, the zirconia crown is designed ensuring proper occlusion margin and aesthetic. Then, pangatlo, CAD ay compiling process. Ang compiling process is yung machine ang magka-carve sa crown from zirconia block. Sabi dito, the design is sent to a CAM or computer-aided manufacturing milling machine. A block of pre-sintered zirconia is selected and the machine precisely miles the crown according to the digital design. At this stage, the zirconia is soft and easy to shape. Pangapat, sintery. The mild crown is placed in a sintering furnace at extreme high temperature up to 1,500 degrees Celsius. Sintering is heating process strength the crown. And then finishing and staining. Dito yung kino-color matching for natural look. After sintering, the crown may undergo staining and glazing to match the natural tooth color. Some crowns receive layered porcelain to enhance translucency and mimic natural enamel. Then, numbers pang-anim, polishing and quality check. Uh, Final infection before delivery. Sabi dito, the final zirconia crown is polished and check for accuracy, fit, and aesthetic. Adjustments are made if necessary before sending it to the dentist. Then, last is cementation. The dentist tries in the crown to check for proper fit and occlusion. Cementation is once sat once satisfied, the crown is cement using ano to? Glass. Wait, di ko makita. Glass ionomer cement and resin modified glass ionomer cement. Then self-adhesive resin cement. And let's go to limiting factors for zirconia crown preparation suitability.
Limiting factors for zirconia crown preparation suitability. Inadequate occlusal clearance. Minimum clearance is 1.0 to 2.0 mm depending on the occlusal load. And too little clearance can lead to high stress areas and premature failure. Number two is insufficient eggshell reduction. Minimum eggshell reduction is 1.0 to 1.5 mm for adequate strength. Too little reduction can cause over-contouring, leading to improper fit and gingival irritation. And number three is over-tapered or insufficient taper. Ideal taper is 4 to 8 degrees per wall for proper retention. Too much taper reduces retention while too little taper affects is seating. And yung pang-apat is rounded internal line angles and smooth finish. Sharp internal angles create stress points that increase fracture risk. A smooth rounded preparation ensures better stress distribution and adaptation. Number 5, chamfer or rounded shoulder margin. Avoiding 90-degree shoulder. Prefer margin design is deep chamfer 0.8 to 1.2 mm or a rounded shoulder. A 90-degree shoulder is avoided because it creates stress, concentration, and compromise strength. And number 6 is proper marginal fit and location. Subgingival margins should be avoided unless necessary. Example for aesthetics. And margins should be clearly visible and well defined to ensure accurate crown fit. And last, occlusal and functional consideration. Heavy occlusal forces, bruxism, can lead to premature wear or fracture of the zirconia, and proper occlusal adjustment is needed to prevent excessive load on the restoration. And yung conclusion is, zirconia crowns have revolutionized modern dentistry, offering an ideal balance of strength, aesthetics, and biocompatibility. While they outperform traditional materials in durability and longevity, they come the challenges such as tooth wear, difficulty in adjustments, and bonding limitations. However, with the advanced advancements in the high translucency zirconia, improved cementation techniques, and proper polishing methods, these drawbacks can be effectively managed. And as a technology evolves, zirconia remains the preferred choice for both functional and aesthetic restoration, making it a cornerstone of a modern prosthetic dentistry. Careful selection of zirconia type and clinical technique ensure optimal long-term success and patient satisfaction. And yung zirconia crowns combine strength, beauty, and safety, making them a top choice in modern dentistry. While they have some challenges like cost and adjustment, difficulty advances in technology and materials continue to improve outcomes and patient satisfaction. And that's all po. Thank you.
May tanong ba?
Questions po? Wala na bang tanong or ano?
Wala nang tanong.
Kung wala nang tanong, thank you guys. Yun lang.
Palakpakan naman natin yung reporter.
na lang natin,
Open na lang ng cam, tapos Jim, pa-screenshot na lang.
Sige. Open cam, guys. One, two, three. Isa pa. Okay.
Okay na, Jim.
Next report.